picture perfect pictures.
No, I'm aware of that. You don't get the view of the...
Yeah. You're getting quite a bit of road, but you're also getting a lot of sky and everything else, so it's fine. Wait a minute.
That tilted it up just a little bit.
Get a little less road,
Yeah, maybe.
a lot more sky.
Yeah. I don't know whether you'd be able to zoom in to kind of see some of the lake and that kind of thing.
Know.
I don't.
That's what a person would have. There's no zoom.
No, I mean when you got the video on your computer.
I don't know whether it would pixelate. I'm not even
Shouldn't
sure.
pixelate that much.
Yeah, I'm not even sure what setting it's on there as far as 4K or whatever. I think it's 4K, and I don't know whether it's 30 frames per second or 60 frames.
Don't know either.
But we'll have an idea of some, once we get it back and get it downloaded to a computer as to how well it worked. It goes dark again after a while, so
Yeah, it just, it's
that's
saving.
so it's saving battery for the camera part, not the display. Person can hook in Bluetooth to their phone, but even that with Bluetooth on is going to take some of the battery too. So
Well, actually, your Bluetooth and your phone, what it would do is probably really drain your phone.
yeah, that too. Be draining both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I see him going to the Sun Highway. I think that's one we work too.
One of them we will work, yes. We work some of the stuff right here in St. Mary, too.
Yeah. But I stay on 89.
Yeah. Shows it to be about